Frappuccino. So, before we get started, I want everybody to go press the subscribe button in the comments when we say go. Ready, set, go! The materials you're going to need is something to mix with, a bowl, borax, what is this? Oh, shaving cream, glue, foaming soap, lotion, and a Starbucks cup. So let's get on with the video, yo! So what you need to do first is to add all your glue. So once you've added your glue, your next step is to add all your shaving cream. Once you've mixed your glue and your shaving cream together, the next step is to add your foaming soap and your lotion all together till it makes just one big fluff. The last step is to slowly start adding your borax. So it's slowly coming together once I've added my borax. So we figured out that we really didn't make enough slime each because we were running out of glue. So we decided that we'll make one unicorn frappuccino. But before we do that, let's do some ASMR, yo. So this is my slime, very stretchy and fun to play with. Now let's do yours. Let's do Deidre's. Okay, now let's just mix. So we're going to split up. We're gonna split up this big slime. It actually made a lot. We're gonna split up the big slime and put different colors and put it into our Starbucks cup. So let's do that, yo. Guys, thanks for watching. This is what it turned out. It is amazing. Probably my favorite YouTube video slime I've ever made. It is so cute. It would be perfect for decoration. So thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and give us a big thumbs up and comment what you want us to do next week. Thanks for watching.
So today, we're missing the lady.
Hey, you like in the chick, don't it? Baby, it's a donut. She like when you shit, don't it? She like, she like,
Like and subscribe.